Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you the basics of playing piano. So let's begin. So first off, there are 88 keys in the piano, at least a normal piano, but there's only 7 names for those keys. Starting from the bottom you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it just repeats. Now, notice the C's. First C, second C, third, this is the fourth one. This is called middle C. Now you might be wondering, well, what are the black notes called then? And that depends on what white note you're on before you hit those black notes, essentially. So, if you're on A, and you go up a half step, now a full step is when, say I go from A to B, half step is when I go from A to A sharp, or if you go the other way, it's called A flat. Same thing for B, except there's no B sharp, but there is a B flat, and there is a C sharp, and so on. Next I'll introduce you to some chords. So, we'll do the major chords for this video. So, this is C. C, E, G, C sharp, F, A flat, or G sharp. It's usually G sharp if you see it written down. D, F sharp, A, E flat, G, B flat, E, A flat, B, F sharp, F major, F, A, C, F sharp chord, F sharp, B flat, C sharp, G chord, G, B, D. Oops. Sorry. A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat, A chord, A, C sharp, E, B flat chord, B flat, D, F, and B chord, B, E flat, F. Now a chord can actually have only 2 notes, so that's a chord. Chord, or chord. Or can have more than 3 notes. More on that later. Now, there's other ways you can play besides just, hitting this or this. For instance, you could do that. Or you could even mix it up. Or you could do something like this. So you see how this goes. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see more.